Two comedians on the Reason Show this year, together with other TikTokers, upper class with His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama, together with the Education Minister Honorable Haruna Iddrisu, concern the issue. Say Ghana Hanamono from primary schools through to our JHS, through to our SHS schools. No, yeah, but Chinese language. It will Kurumo Hanamo. Hello, now over class with the Education Minister. Remember, I'm going to the Amame. Ewo comment section. I Penyah Brock Media. Mess was any demo. Obe like video not that about subscribe button, snap back like notification, connect latest updates. Snap back to the wild join mama. Ewo comment section. So baswa. No actually for so any biasha. You know, Obe Kaya on the internet about 5 days ago, less than a week, and a pop up on the internet as a Chinese government. Ghana $30 million. I said that $30 million. No, you find a short curtain for the construction of National Theatre. I'm with this particular post. Oh, many guys. Oh, okay, Ghana no. Yeah, ne. I'm mindful front to my uncle family. Ye shemukina. But I was just saying enya kwasa. Said I'm commodia be a coso because comedy be a coso kunduna say. Answer na do a bebaswo. Be wakaya enra. And a pop up on the internet. I said Ghana no. Finally right now no. Yeah, the Chinese language. Ebe kaya curriculum ho. Yes, sir. Primary schools. JHS, SHS, you're the Chinese language. Ebe kan ye curriculum no ho. Ye mofla no, ye nkoda no ne enua mo no. Omo besua Chinese. Chen Chonshin ne Li Wonshon ne ho. What I say? Omo besua da kasa di bi. French grano. French grano. Yeah, to centralize French. Ghana Hanu. Yeah, to centralize schools. Selective schools. Bakubi. And the French. Surprise! I remember. So Bekaya. Honorable Haruna Iddrisu Kroya, Education Minister. Ebeka said, now no. I was here to me local language. And a child day with school. Say be a more friend or Metiasia. Because school na year corner. And you say, oh kwakeke. Oh kwase betro adeno ama watiasie. Broni. Echo school ya de no krom kasa wa kan fie kan ba bia wo te ase no de de kire wo classroom ejina kra no aduna wo kan no said do obi di nkomo wo twi mu do ka bi o te ase o mu te ase si po etu wo kire wo nim de wo keka ba kan ha no ne for so se obi kasa na fa no be ya wo kasa eti in another sense no me hu that school na ye kono ye build your mind de set Ghana Hanomo wow edisi obi kasa na bi adaachiri nya kwan tu kwa ko ni bakro kro ma wan kwa nkobre de ase me te Ghana school na ye condemn me ma dwa me te ase no me te ase me school no hono ase omu de share trip from ye mofra se Ghana Hanomo untimi tena ha mobra di se wutu kwai entia ne sua obi kro bu kasa e kan wo de hu bi na wutu kwai ko bi kro ma wan kwa ho e wo hono ase sa na me hu Ghana education system na sana sebe meti ase na efa Chinese language na see efa kan curriculum ho no na community we say the whole lot of conversation about montene all this year about the reason show together with other TikTokers abe clash with John Mahama and the education minister
President Mahama and afa we Chinese President Xi Jinping abusiafo awraho samwa asie ni sa no pay John Mahama say Ghana for nkoda primary school ne secondary school no senior high school yen shase yen kire omo Chinese language pato TBO John Mahama according to graphic say Mahama say enkoda primary school ne senior high yen kire omo Chinese language adai nti kuro we pa nti won panimfu etimi dwene ede enko an nti bibini no waje wo wiase ade matena China pen machira de o China mibusa wo say enti yesi ye de hia sane ye de fata enti China forward ade papa bia ye ntimi ankofa ukọ China classroom ye kire omo STEM education ye kire omo technology innovations ewo basic school ye ntimi ankofa Chinese industrial revolution mindset amfa me kire ye nkoda wo basic schools rather Chinese are imposing a language on us through a car, through debt, power play, economic war. And what the Kasasi Kong. And today, Ghana ya wo India, ya wo English, ya wo French. E den na ya dia maye. Ya timini France for akojina stage ana. Brofo ne ye gitina mu no e den na ya ko IMF nko 17 times. Yet IMF 17 times e den na brofo ya maye. Eti kroi ya wo Penyah wo dwene wo mu. Eti panifo du o man anim, eti wo mutimi dwene se nipa. So the global setups, the global power play, and kofo weti ase de. Enne ye kwhyem koda say munko katri a Chinese language. Ya antimi anchusu yen kasa baako. Say one language from Ghana say at least enye the highest language in authority. Ya antimi anya saa. Ya timi kwakire ya introduce Chinese language in the basic education. Chinese ni one say catch them young and they shall be yours forever. Yempani mfoni yeti bonkoso. Oma wie wom. Nti won say oma target yenkroti the next 50 years. Ye ya ne beje so. On Chinese for say o men slave here no. On say this o men slave nyetu ne sekan. Na a president what me yes ade we. Are you very shocking. Ghana need monkasam this is air time. Are you shame to us. Aday. Na dear time kran say udru Ghana migration. Chinese if what me be lecture wom e do mo ko school atchero say de ye migration betimi aka Chinese now ko tie the reasons are ade ya China for ba ha say de be immigration betimi no makasa ye jimini et wudru China do they care about you? Do they care? Na a whole Ghana migration our point of entry na Ghana migration Chinese wa lecture no masa do ma gina airport wo no ma kire wiase e mo hwe ya kire o ma de awie mo hwe bana hwe eno mo gina ho no. This is shocking and you're very sad. And yet, until you timi minutes, and you probably been in what Ghana on timi minute konitrim. Language, me person, me language. As the education school. As I say, what do you understand by power play? Global power, what do you understand? How do you understand it? This is interesting. Ghana for Munkasem.
Abuja for me, mom, me church, and winning. This will be a way. I did about I think I was say Ghana for you na yitimi sorry na ka ho asem na na yen before you say yen nyankopon boy yen den de mpacho sometimes uti nima ni bia na obofo no say e de be na tie ene se nyankopon ne boy ya yen ko de boy ana say ne na Abraham kan say eye abofo ngeto ni bi ne boy so mo de entertain ana so mo de ye jeje o mani ena suddenly yabedani nipa like we gina ho a wonti ase se bibini Penyah ye ni se o ma medi o man so o mehwe enwomasua so o mehwe bibi so no e de be na woni tim and there's a publication say Ghana e belanche e Chinese language e basic school me no ka say Ghana we have English as our official language any the French abakant or create our school from JSS primary to JSS and to SS there obesua these languages. Ebesi onu say this languages na e dey na yamaye ene ye de China ba beka ho Chinese e ba beka ho na China no kra na ono ye pesi yesua no o introduce any other language enka ho English language is not is I think it's an elective or China obo kwa na some Chinese provinces ko munsua any other language apart from China. Apart from Chinese language, Muslim language, and so they have been able to use their own language to develop things. I mean, a global hub for manufacturing. And we are supposed to not a kodija. But before, we keep on adding on language upon language. Language of sa yedebe Chinese ne kan yedebe now you person say ano yin na ntu kwatra China na say China for no never be go any matana. Now we have to learn Chinese. Meanwhile, China now modify curriculum number. They have introduced programming, coding from KG to SS. By force, students be a programming. Artificial intelligence, by force, a core subject for every student in first in primary JSS. Now say junior high school to SS. China, by force will be a before we are still 21st century we are some done na more of IT base no engineering base no we keep on adding on nonsense for our students to learn. si nkra no hunu Chinese ka ede na be and for so be pan be my why can't we introduce simple engineering systems how do we school courses and nkra some basic things because eno na ekure wiasem. Do you know the amount of money these Chinese are making from engineering alone, from AI? In fact, there is a whole government program where somebody almost hacking, and they hack into systems globally. Systems, infrastructures, they hack into them, and they are buying on a sponsor. These are things in the Penyah. You see, you language, Chinese language. I am here saying you catch Chinese language now. And then a Penyah film. Before, Mummy and no. And I say, because I am quack at a monk for they be a can they say slave trade, they say colonization. How many years Nini are there? But yet, Trabium, Sunny, your boy Braffa. What do you feel? Video that's a Chinese phone call. School, no, modify school no to the extent say, and Kranis and San Juma because in this 21st century, knowledge is no more power, but skills, experience is power. Knowledge, knowledge is no more power. Now, if I say knowledge is power, it's not true now. In this 21st century, skills, and the obey don't say, Obuha or a Chinese ni or school demo that, and so I do obey me say, I produce their back Africa, and I said, they believe in the power of multiplicity. It is a deal in Oya, obey to produce over 10 millions of adeno. Say $1 Canada, the person becomes instant millionaire. Because the system is built in such a way, say, I best support ideas, I best support people who are genius, people who are critical thinkers. Ghana, one also Williams said, then you make sure say you die for nothing. Ghana, one genius said, the system will never support you, the system will rather suppress you. We make sure say we make nonsense out of your ingenuity. This is Africa for you. It is a school for Nukusia, friend is saying Chinese, AI or emra machine learning or emra programming coding so munko suawe and for so beni benya. What are we driving at? What is our vision in the next 10 years, 20 years? What is the vision of Africa? What is the vision of Ghana? In China, by 2025 they will become the biggest friend is saying the country with the largest green energy system. And where the green energy we are China contribute more than 80%, almost 80%. And China produce. What I say, a language is almost say they learn the act, the skills. They were able to tap into the experiences of other countries. And then for the China do in some few years to come, for the China do. We keep on adding nonsense for our students to learn. The Ukrainian school books will put a chino, a China achacha. And so Ukrainian who knew she who had a math and science quiz here. And grandmother were tourists who be a practical no mujinaho. Where are we moving the countries towards? And in fact, what is the direction of the country? And AFA. And then you bring from Chinese education, China for how many languages do they learn? Obi also English, be also on private line. They make sure that they use their language because it is true your local language with developer systems and because the local language is part of your DNA. It's all the chakra there. A simple here. Why have we neglected our local languages and jumping onto China? China for my young man, can they say they did it? We should wake up as Africans. We should wake up. You make sure say we are chartering a path for the next generation. And you say they are they are. We continue to be enkwa. Sorry, Saudi Arabia. Phone close as enkwa because they are only producing enkwa. People who cannot do anything with their hands, but they are also depending on the person to survive. This is the Africa we are creating. It's a shame. Whilst other countries are dropping languages of other nations, we keep on adding. It's a shame.
Haruna Idrus, Ede, China, Kasa, Ashe, Yenkura, Omufri. NSELESS ekopim SHS se Ghana ni akora bia ensua China kasa me wa ha se me yenipa me di nokore forget about portabia NDC ni enkawe nokore ye nokore se wo tina Ghana minia na usua China kasa nyansasem bia ni wa ewom de anti ena Ghana yesua aborofo tete na ya nananom enim nyansa ɛna UK foɔ ɛbaa Ghana ɔmbaa Africa to ɔmbaa UK foɔ bɛpie Ghana ɛna ɔmo ka kyerɛ wo nana sɛ yɛpɛ sɛ yɛne wo di dwa na ansa na yɛne wo bɛdi dwa no sia yɛ kurom kasa enti UK ni ɛmaa wo nana nkyere odi yɛ na ohunu sɛ ɛɛde ɛna UK foɔ bɛfaa yɛn nkoa ɛna ɔmo de yɛ nananom tena nkonnwa so ɛkyerɛ ɔmo sɛ yɛ kurom kasa yɛ kasa ya ɛyɛ sei yɛ kasa ya ɛyɛ sei ɛno mu ɛna France foɔ so ɛkɔɔ ɛdesan Burkina Cote d'Ivoire ɛna ɔmo so kɔdii hɔfoɔ so ɛna ɔmo kyerɛ ɔmo sɛ sɛ mokɔ school a monsua yɛ kurom kasa ɛno ɛna ama wokɔ France wokɔ ɛdesan Cote d'Ivoire Burkina ɔmo so sua French kasa minia ɛna yɛwɔ 21st century ɛne biaba obiara dwene sɛ ɔde ne kurom kasa ɛbɛyɛ bibi enti sɛ wokɔ China first na China ɛwɔ kasa bebree ɛna ɔmo China foɔ dwene hunu sɛ kasa dɔɔso a ɛmmoa ɛma wo ntimi nyɛ deɛ wopɛ sɛ woyɛ ɛna ɔmo hyɛ mmara yaa ma ɔmo kasa ayɛ baako wei mu ɛna ɔno China na ne kasa ayɛ baako no wanya sika ɛna mbosea kakra a ɔde bɛma Africa nti woyɛ de na wama Ghana bosea ɛna China ahyɛ Ghana sɛ ɛte saa deɛ a yɛnnim so wɔ but mokɔ suku a monsia yɛ kurom kasa ɛnam sika kakra Ghana hia nti ɛne bibifoɔ yɛnnim nyansa nti na yɛasea kɔfa China kasa aba Ghana sɛ akora a ɔkɔ KG up to SHS onsua China kasa na obi ɛbɛboa sika no te Ghana na ɔde akɔ Cape Coast University sɛsi ɛyɛ amene wo kasa yi wokɔ Cape Coast University a ɔmo sua China kasa na wo maame atɔn kokoo na waboa sika no bi bɛɛ kɔ school bɛɛ na wokɔ a na wakɔ akɔgye degree aba degree ekura yɛde anya mitimi kenkan Chinese kasa mete Chinese kasa mi wa China wa ankasa no ɔmo te China kura no ɔmo nya adwuma nyɛ na Chinese kasa na wo sua na wo de wɔ Ghana hɔ no ɛno ɛbɛmo wanya adwuma yɛ wɔ Ghana hɔ Chinese kasa na wo sua wo de nam Ghana no China foɔ na ɔmo ba Ghana no dodo sɛn na sua Ghana kasa aduru mira Ghana foɔ mo mama ninte sɛ wo te Ghana na wo bɛsua Chinese kasa nyansasɛm bi anim ɛne yɛnka hari na idrusu ɛne yɛn mpanyinfoɔ koraa yɛ ne sɛ ibi ɔyɛ dagomba ni ba Ghana nyina yɛnsua dagomba sɛ ebia wofiri south okɔ Tamale wobɛtumi aka dagomba anka nyansa wom anaa yɛyi Ghana kasa baako ne yɛyɛ ne nhyɛ ka nyansa minia woyɛ dagomba ni dagwando na wohwɛ saa asɛm wei a ɛsɛ wo ma wo werɛ ko ba saa deɛ wei nyansa bia no wewom sɛ wobɛtena Ghana na wobɛboa sika no sɛ wokɔ akɔsua China kasa degree no bebire wɔ Ghana amanfo agyeje yɛ kasa we obi koji China ho degree a ɔde bɛ ha wadwene makɔ school me yɛ deɛ bɛn degree of China munsua nyansa Italy ɛna mi gyina mi twa video yi ɛma mu yi pɔta bi nie nyame nka ho bye bye
kyerɛ wadwe ma me ɛwɔ comment section ayi Penyah Brook Media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!